guys, so we got the Lawrence spring kit, and the new set of wheels is one of those. Who's that one actually? Those are the Cosby's, and those are 24-inch Escos. I don't have a truck no more, so they just sit here. I got them for sale, but yeah. So yeah, new set I'll reveal at the end of the video, and let's get started. Right there's a kit. I think I already mentioned that. Got the Shelby up in the air. Took the wheels off already, and we're gonna start off by obviously removing what's around it, like these two bolts right there, and then it's just this one and 4 on top right here, these 4. So yeah, I think that's about it. I mean, there's also this one back here, little 10 mil. I think it's a 10 mil. Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. So let's get started. Hopefully we can get this done today. Alrighty guys, so I really don't like these days where it gets dark very soon, but oh well. Anyways, we got the front done. I did forget to record, to be honest. I just started jamming to some music and well, went pretty straightforward, but replaced the springs, took out the struts, about 2 fingers. Still needs to adjust either way, so we'll see how it looks in the morning. It's a little chilly outside, but fuck it. Alright, so let me I'm gonna jack up the back and we're gonna get started on the rear. Let's go. Alright guys, so look, literally only 2 bolts, 1 and 2 on the other side. Let me show you. Woo! Shit. So this one back here, that one. All right, this one. We take that one and this and lower the differential, and then we just slide them out and slide the new ones in. So all right guys, so literally the easiest thing you could do is this. Okay, literally 2 bolts, and then just slip it out, slip it in. That's about it. The panhard bar, we're just gonna do that tomorrow. It's not that hard. I don't feel like doing it today. I just want to get this done. I just want to see how it looks overall with the new wheel setup and lowered. Tonight we might take it out, but I don't know, because I got put over yesterday for no tail lights, so I don't know if I want to get put over again. All right, so let me just finish up. Just gotta put those 2 bolts back together and probably show y'all the end result. It used to be 4 fingers, and probably gonna be like 2 fingers now. So yeah, stay tuned.
All right, so let's walk over here and check these beauties out. It's a little bit of wind, guys, so I'm trying to work with it. I need Omar's asked to buy some mics or something to help us record better when it comes to being out here in the windy days, but check her out. So lowering springs, BMR drag springs on the Mustang now. The 20-inch TSWs on it.
Yes, sir.
So let's go on this side, show you guys the little wheel fitment, or the tire and wheel, the wheel gap. So pretty good. The fronts are 245, 35 sidewall on a 20-inch wheel, so it's a little stretched. Then the backs are 305, 35 on a 20-inch wheel, same thing.
See, that looks good.
So
That's a good thing.
overall, really good fitment though. Looks good. How's it ride, Omar?
It rides good actually.
Yeah.
Only thing I'm not used to is the lip.
Yeah, that thing is down there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty low.
Yeah, look, check.
Well, you got a 2-piece, so see, like, yeah, so you could probably take this bottom half and leave this top one, and it'd give you an extra 2 inches of clearance.
It makes it look like meaner, you know?
Yeah.
we're gonna give you all a little show, guys. Also, check it out. These boys in their bikes. Oh, dude, we need some bikes.
Dude, I think I'm gonna bust my ass, dude. I really don't think like that, dude. Fuck. Like that. It looks fun, though.
I'm not gonna lie, I probably would bust my ass. But that'll be so much fun, though.
So, man, the wind went away. What else are we gonna talk about this thing? Shoosh. Right about right here, this thing looks. Damn, boy. That's your thumbnail right there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Thing looks slick. So what? Wait. What else did I talk about, Omar?
Probably interior upgrades.
Interior stuff. Check out the little blue one. It's little brother. Or no, technically this is older brother, huh?
Yeah.
So this one's the older brother. That's the little brother.
Little brother, faster though.
Oh no. Jeez. So both of these will have the same springs. This one on mine, I have same BMR drag springs. I have the shocks, but I don't think those make it any lower. Those are they're just Viking shocks for. I guess you have like adjustments to them and stuff. But there's my wheel gap. A little bit less wheel gap in the front on my car, but I think it's because I have 45. See, I have 245, 45, 18 sidewall. The backs are set. Are those 17s? I think they're 17s. Yeah, 305, 45, 17s in the back. So yeah, it makes it look meaty. But I think for me, for sure, I gotta tint these out. These things piss me off. The red, the bright red with the blue. Ooh. Yeah. But the video's about this one, so let's continue to talk about this one. What else we going? What's your plans with this one, Omar? Inner fenders? Or nah?
I mean, I can play it.
Yeah, it's just like, cause you kind of like right from this angle, you see the,
Really?
what do you call it? Hey, you're watching.
Dirty. My bad.
What the hell? You daily drive this thing? So this is what it feels like to be behind the wheel of a slow car, huh?
I need to clean this car.
Huh. All right, so Omar's trying to talk to you guys about changing out that stereo, huh?
Yes.
That stereo.
I'm thinking about doing a Tesla screen like on my old GT.
I like the lights.
Yeah.
Pretty badass, ain't gonna lie.
And
So, yeah, I get the iPad screen, basically.
mm-hmm.
All right. And then what else? What you got? That it?
Yeah, dude.
Overall, I mean, the car's pretty clean, dude. I wouldn't change too much, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
All right.
My old one had a carbon fiber all around.
Oh, yeah, the carbon fiber.
That's gonna block the GT500 right here. So.
That is true.
Alright guys, thanks for staying to the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next ones, and don't forget to like and subscribe.